Coinbase is a big name in the world of cryptocurrency. It is an exchange, a place where people can buy, sell, and trade digital currencies like Bitcoin. Founded in 2012 by Brian Armstrong and Fred Ehrsam, Coinbase has grown to become one of the most popular and widely used cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It offers a variety of services that cater to both novice and experienced traders. Millions of people use Coinbase. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies including Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others. This diversity allows users to explore and invest in different digital assets, making it a versatile tool for anyone interested in the crypto market. It is known for being easy to use, especially for beginners. The user interface is designed to be intuitive with clear instructions and helpful guides that make the process of buying and selling cryptocurrencies straightforward. This ease of use is one of the key reasons why Coinbase has attracted such a large user base. Coinbase makes it simple to buy crypto with your bank account or credit card. The platform supports various payment methods, allowing users to choose the one that best suits their needs. Transactions are processed quickly and securely, ensuring that users can access their digital assets without unnecessary delays. This ease of use has made Coinbase very popular. The platform's reputation for reliability and security has also contributed to its widespread adoption. Users can feel confident that their funds are safe, thanks to Coinbase's robust security measures and insurance policies. However, Coinbase also faces many challenges. The regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving, and Coinbase must navigate these changes to remain compliant with laws and regulations. Additionally, the platform must stay vigilant against cybersecurity threats, which are a constant concern in the digital world. The world of cryptocurrency is new and constantly changing. Innovations in financial technology are driving the market forward, but they also bring uncertainty and volatility. Coinbase must adapt to these changes to continue providing valuable services to its users. Despite these challenges, the future of cryptocurrency looks promising, and platforms like Coinbase are at the forefront of this exciting new frontier. One of the biggest challenges for Coinbase is regulation. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to handle cryptocurrencies. This lack of clear rules makes it difficult for companies like Coinbase to operate. Coinbase needs to comply with different regulations in different countries. This can be costly and complex. Despite these challenges, Coinbase is working with regulators. It wants to be a responsible player in the crypto space. Security is another major concern in the world of cryptocurrency. With the rise of digital currencies, the threat landscape has evolved, making it imperative for platforms to adopt robust security measures. Hackers are always trying to steal digital currencies. These cybercriminals employ sophisticated techniques to breach systems and gain unauthorized access to funds. Coinbase takes security very seriously. As one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, it has implemented a multi-layered security strategy to safeguard its users' assets. It uses advanced technology to protect user funds. This includes employing state-of-the-art encryption methods, continuous monitoring of systems, and regular security audits to identify and mitigate potential vulnerabilities. Coinbase stores most of its crypto offline in cold storage. By keeping the majority of its digital assets in offline storage, Coinbase significantly reduces the risk of online attacks. This makes it much harder for hackers to steal. The offline storage is housed in secure vaults with multiple layers of physical and digital security to ensure the utmost protection. Additionally, Coinbase offers insurance to protect users in case of a hack. This insurance policy provides an added layer of security, giving users peace of mind that their assets are protected even in the unlikely event of a breach. This focus on security is crucial for building trust with users. By prioritizing security, Coinbase not only protects its users' assets, but also fosters a sense of confidence and reliability in the platform. This trust is essential for the continued growth and adoption of cryptocurrency. The price of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin can be very volatile. This means the price can go up or down very quickly. This volatility can be scary for some investors. Coinbase benefits from high trading volume during periods of volatility. However, it also needs to help users manage their risk. Coinbase provides educational resources. These resources help users understand volatility and make informed decisions. Coinbase is not the only cryptocurrency exchange out there. It faces competition from other big players. Binance, Kraken, and Gemini are just a few examples. These exchanges offer similar services to Coinbase. They are all vying for market share. Coinbase needs to keep innovating to stay ahead of the competition. One of Coinbase's biggest strengths is its user experience. The platform is designed to be easy to use, even for beginners. Coinbase offers a simple and intuitive interface. It provides clear instructions and helpful resources. This focus on user experience has been key to Coinbase's success. It has attracted millions of users worldwide. Coinbase is constantly innovating and expanding its offerings. Recently, it launched a new platform. This platform allows users to borrow cash using their crypto holdings as collateral. This is a major development in the crypto space. It allows users to access the value of their crypto without selling it. This new service could attract even more users to Coinbase. Coinbase has the potential to be a major player in the future of cryptocurrency. It has a strong brand, a large user base, and a commitment to innovation. However, challenges remain. Regulation, security, and competition will continue to be important factors. Coinbase needs to navigate these challenges effectively to maintain its position. While Coinbase plays a significant role in today's cryptocurrency landscape, it's just one piece of a much larger puzzle. The world of digital currencies and blockchain technology is vast and ever-evolving. Coinbase has made it easier for the average person to buy, sell, and manage cryptocurrencies, but it's crucial to remember the core ethos of this technology: decentralization. True decentralization empowers individuals, giving them control over their own financial assets and data. This means that instead of relying on a central authority or intermediary, people can transact directly with one another. This peer-to-peer interaction is at the heart of what makes blockchain technology so revolutionary. It removes the need for intermediaries like banks or even platforms like Coinbase, which, while convenient, still act as middlemen. By using hardware wallets and engaging in peer-to-peer transactions, individuals can maintain greater control and security over their assets. This is a significant shift from traditional financial systems where banks and other institutions hold and manage your money. In a decentralized world, you are your own bank. This not only enhances security, but also promotes financial sovereignty. While Coinbase simplifies access to this revolutionary technology, making it more user-friendly and accessible to the masses, it's important to understand that the ultimate goal is a future where individuals control their own financial destinies. This means having the knowledge and tools to manage your own assets without relying on centralized entities. Imagine a world where you have complete control over your financial success, where your wealth is not tied to the performance of a central institution, but is instead a direct result of your own decisions and actions. This is the promise of decentralization. It offers a level of financial freedom and autonomy that is unprecedented in traditional financial systems. Coinbase's success ultimately depends on its ability to adapt to this evolving landscape. As more people become aware of the benefits of decentralization, the demand for truly decentralized solutions will grow. Companies like Coinbase will need to innovate and evolve to stay relevant in this new paradigm. This means not only providing easy access to cryptocurrencies, but also supporting and promoting decentralized technologies and practices. The future is decentralized, and it's a future where individuals are empowered to take control of their own financial destinies. As we move towards this future, it's essential for both individuals and companies to embrace the principles of decentralization. By doing so, we can create a more equitable, secure, and innovative financial system for everyone. In conclusion, Coinbase is well-positioned to be a dominant player in the future of cryptocurrency. With its commitment to innovation, user experience, and regulatory compliance, it's clear that Coinbase is dedicated to driving cryptocurrency adoption forward. What do you think about Coinbase's future? Do you think they'll continue to lead the charge in the cryptocurrency market? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more insights on cryptocurrency.